Orukurre by'amakuru byona on Vision Group Barbara Kaija najango kutahamu nukwija kubaguryo mutwaro gumwe gwonka nuko kushaba abazire obutafereza abana babo kureka babareto mu mukorogu ombwijwire kandi harimo umugisha gwo kuhangura birabo nyamwinji.
Nitubanjura entegeka yaitu eya Toto Festival eroho December biro byokwezi 10 nitubatangira mulete abana baitu basobole kusemererwa. Omwaka guba murayira muno abana basomero mwaka gwona bajwahire kanu kasumi kokuzana kandi kokwega bagenzi baitu abasheraton batwahire kikaro kirungi.
Very excited for this year's Toto Festival. It's our 7th year we are holding this, and as New Vision we spend a whole year educating and taking kids through our different learning opportunities.
Okugambebi Barbara Kaija abirari amugankuru za Vision Group omuri industrial area omuri Kampala. Abana barasinje bagenzi babo nibija kuhebwe biconco kandi nabazire nibija kuhebwa umugisha okwegito mu mizano y'abana aba.
Baitu nabazaire haja kubaye byokwegesa bingi abazaire biro bino tukora bambizibu bingi kukuza abana baitu bo kwijjo kujja kusanga y'abazaire bagenzi bawe nabakugu musobole kuyikara mubaze hansongezo bakuha amagezi omulingo gwokuzamu abana
okwegito mu kwanura bino kubano bagura orupapara rwa The New Vision aha 2010 byo ku 12 ntija kuba hari mwaka konji bakijuze rero bwe nibija kuba bakwata karuru ombara hangurire berabo byinji ebiro musente kandi okutahamu no mutwaro gumwe gwonka. Charity Narwoga omugambirizi wa Sheraton Hotel yahamza abazire ngo buri kimwe nkiza kuba kirukurungi aha abana babo na nebyo kwerinda nibija kuba birye by'amani.
So parents are wondering Sheraton might overcharge, but I'm here to put that to rest. We are going to also price it very friendly so that you can feed the kids through the day, through the festival. It's going to be special pricing. Of course it will have from the bites to the ice cream, everything else that children like.
Tusubiza ibintu bingi nnyo era tugenda bituukiriza abatulaba bonna ba customer baffe abandiyagadde okutwegattako ku Sheraton ennaku z'omwezi 10 December tusubiza ebintu bingi tugenda okugaba.
So this is an opportunity for us to give back to the demographic that we value the most, although they don't do the spending is done indirectly, but we value their preference for our products. So we're happy to be part of the festival. There will be Pepsi products in plenty, and once again I'd like to thank Vision Group and my fellow sponsors for coming on board.
Tubaniriza yonna gye muli bannange tubakoowola tukoowola abaana tukoowola abazadde mujje tubeere wamu ffenna ku kivulu kino eky'abaana tweyanziza nnyo.
Gasha kwa David Tamale.